We've got Nooresh and Kunal both joining in on the show. Kunal, on a net basis, the index did nothing yesterday, pretty much for the better part of yesterday's trading session. What's that telling you?
Well, it indicates, Aisha, that after the 4 days of consistent selling, the markets are not ready for a decent bounce back. And, in fact, I remember, I think yesterday, we saw the Bank Nifty coming closer to yesterday's, in fact, day before, yesterday's trading high. And, it came very close in towards breaking above that pattern of higher highs, or rather lower highs and lower lows. But it failed to cross over those levels. And from the intraday highs yesterday, we managed to see selling pressure both on the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty, closing absolutely flat. Now, the interesting part is that the Nifty is still holding on to the 50-day moving average, but the Bank Nifty is underperforming and has now come back or fallen towards the 100-day moving average. Now, both of these are very crucial levels because, if we don't hold back towards these key support on the short-term charts, we would expect further selling pressure for both of the indices. So, my view remains to be cautious to negative on the indices. I even last week mentioned that possibly 19,300 as well as 44,000 for the Bank Nifty. These are the two levels for the Nifty and Bank Nifty respectively, which you can test possibly in the next 1 week or so.
Nooresh, two stocks, like we were discussing just a short while back, weighing heavy on the index non-performance, if you will. HDFC Bank and Reliance Industries. Do you think they will participate anytime soon and take the market higher?
So as of now, there are no indications in terms of them reversing. But the only thing which we noticed in HDFC Bank and Reliance Industries yesterday was we did not see much of a follow-up sell, which is where we go back to the same prices. 1500, 1530 was the price for HDFC Bank in March of this year, which is where it bottomed out. For Reliance, 2300 roughly has been a pivot level because 2250 to 2300 is where it topped out in 2020. And that became a zone of resistance, then it broke out, then it ended as support. So this is a pivot area. So out here, we need to wait for a few sessions for a recovery and then conclude. So in the same way for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, the trend is not reversed. Yesterday was a pause day, but once we start crossing 19,800 and 45,000, 45,200, that's the point of time you call it a reversal. So for now, we are in a slow drift on the heavyweights, but a similar drift is not seen on the mid cap and the small cap indices. So still can remain stock specific bullish.